What if your bank collapsed tomorrow? Would your money be safe? The answer may shock you. In 2023, 3 major U.S. banks collapsed in weeks. SVB, Signature, First Republic. Gone. Combined, they held over $500 billion in assets. Millions of Americans had no idea it was coming. Could it happen again in 2026? Absolutely yes. Today I'm going to tell you exactly what happens and what you must do to protect yourself right now. Stay till the end. This could save everything you own. First, how does a bank actually collapse? Banks only keep about 10% of your money on hand. The other 90% invested, loaned out, at risk. When customers panic and rush to withdraw, bank run. The bank simply runs out of cash. Doors close. This is exactly what happened to SVB in 48 hours. $42 billion withdrawn in a single day. Now the real question, what happens to your money? 3 possible outcomes. Let me walk you through each. Outcome 1, FDIC insurance kicks in. FDIC protects up to $250,000 per account per bank. If your balance is under $250,000, you're technically safe. But here's what they don't tell you about FDIC. FDIC fund covers only 1.3% of all insured deposits. Multiple big banks fail together. Serious problem. Outcome 2, government bailout. Washington steps in. Taxpayer money saves the bank. This happened in 2008. Cost taxpayers $700 billion. Your deposits survive, but you pay the price anyway. Outcome 3, no bailout. Bank simply fails. This is the scenario most people never prepare for. Your money above $250,000? Potentially gone forever. You become an unsecured creditor of the bank. You wait in line behind bondholders, behind everyone. Now let me show you who's most at risk right now. Small and mid-sized regional banks. Watch them closely. Over 280 U.S. banks currently on the FDIC watch list. Commercial real estate loans are destroying bank balance sheets. Office vacancy rates hit record highs post-pandemic. Banks holding these loans are quietly bleeding money. Rising interest rates made their bond portfolios worthless. This is exactly what killed SVB. Same risk exists today. So how do you know if your bank is safe? 3 warning signs to check this week. Warning sign 1, low capital ratio below 8%. Warning sign 2, high concentration in commercial real estate. Warning sign 3, rapid deposit outflows last 12 months. You can check all this on the FDIC website. It's public. Now let's talk about how to actually protect yourself. Step 1. Never keep more than $250,000 in one bank. Spread your money across multiple FDIC-insured banks. Step 2. Move cash to high-yield savings accounts. Online banks like Marcus, Ally paying 4 to 5% right now. That's 400 times more than your current bank pays. Step 3. Put some cash into Treasury bills. T-bills are backed by the U.S. government, safer than any bank. You can buy them directly at treasurydirect.gov. Step 4. Keep 1-month expenses in physical cash. If ATMs go down during a crisis, you're covered. Step 5. Diversify into assets banks can't touch. Index funds, gold, real estate, out of the banking system. These assets survive even if every bank fails. Now let's talk about the FDIC myth people blindly believe. Most people believe FDIC means their money is 100% safe. But FDIC reimbursement can take weeks or even months. During that time, no access to your funds. 0. You still have rent, groceries, bills. Life doesn't pause. This is why the cash buffer at home matters enormously. Let me show you the real 2026 bank risk map. Midwest and Southeast regional banks, highest exposure. Big Four banks, JP Morgan, BofA, Wells, Citi, more stable. But even big banks are not immune. Remember 2008. Lehman Brothers was the fourth largest bank in America. Gone in 24 hours, $639 billion in assets. Vanished. The lesson: size does not equal safety. Now, what about your 401k during a bank collapse? Good news, your 401k is separate from the bank. It's held by a custodian, not inside the bank's balance sheet. Bank collapses, your retirement account stays intact. But your brokerage account? That's a different story. SIPC protects brokerage accounts up to $500,000. Above $500,000 in a brokerage, consider splitting accounts. Let me show you the full protection checklist. Check 1. Balances under $250,000 per bank. Done. Check 2. Money in high-yield FDIC insured account. Check 3. Emergency cash at home. 1 month minimum. Check 4. T-bills or money market for larger savings. Check 5. Investments in index funds outside banking system. All 5 done? You're better protected than 95% of Americans. Here's the real truth nobody wants to admit. The banking system is built on confidence, not cash. The moment confidence breaks, everything breaks. You cannot control if a bank fails. You can control your prep. Knowledge is the only financial protection that never fails. Most Americans are completely unprepared for this. But now, you are not one of them. Share this video with someone who banks blindly. You could literally save their financial life. Comment below, is your money protected right now? Like this video, it literally takes 1 second. Subscribe. New financial truth every single week. Download the free bank safety checklist. Link in description. Next video, the 6 ways banks legally steal from you monthly. That video will change how you see your bank forever. Your bank is not your friend. Your plan is